Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do mixed complement formula for plus 9. What is my plus 9's formula? It is plus 10 minus 1. Where I am going to apply it? When I am going to get stuck on plus 9. But ma'am, we have done this formula earlier. The formula we did earlier was different. The way we are going to apply this formula is different. Let's see. First, we will do B row in the class and A row will be our homework. B row, let's see. First is plus 8. Then minus 3 plus 9. Do I see any beads for plus 9? No. So my formula for plus 9, I know it's plus 10 minus 1. So let's do plus 10 minus 1. This was the different thing I was talking about. Can I do minus 1 here now? No. So my formula for minus 1 is minus 5 plus 4. What did I do? When I was applying the formula of 9, because I didn't have enough beads to do 9, I did plus 10. Then while I was doing minus 1, I didn't have beads to do minus 1 also. So in the 9's formula, I applied its formula's formula. In 9's formula, I applied its formula's formula also. Okay. Now next is plus 6. Formula for plus 6 plus 10 minus 4. My answer is 20. This is how mixed complement is different from big friends. Next, plus 5 plus 9. Again, I don't have beads to do plus 9, so plus 10 minus 1. No beads to do minus 1, so minus 1 is minus 5 plus 4. Then plus 3, no beads to do 3, so plus 5 minus 2. Then again minus 2. My answer is 15. Next, plus 4 plus 1. Do I have beads to do 1? No. So formula for 1, plus 5 minus 4. Now plus 9. Do I have beads to do 9? No. So my formula for 9, plus 10 minus 1. No beads to do minus 1 also. So minus 5 plus 4. Now plus 8. Do I have beads to do 8? No. So my formula for 8 is plus 10 minus 2. My answer is 22. Easy. Next, 6 minus 1 plus 9. Do I have beads to do 9? No. So my formula for 9 plus 10 minus 1. Do I have beads to do minus 1? No. So my formula of minus 1 minus 5 plus 4. Then minus 5. Formula of minus 5 minus 10 plus 5. My answer is 9. Wherever we are applying the formula, that means we are not having those beads to add or subtract the number. That's why we are applying the formula. Next, plus 4 plus 5 minus 4 plus 9. Again, no beads to do plus 9. So, formula for plus 9 plus 10 minus 1. Do I have beads to do minus 1 now? No. So, formula of minus 1 minus 5 plus 4. Final answer is 14. Okay, you just have to get used to the question. That which type of question can come, what can I do in that type of question? That's it. Okay. I hope it's clear, guys. Now, finish the A row in homework and do let me know the answers in the comments. Bye bye.